In a move to improve efficiency and integrity, the National Fisheries Authority has announced new rules for processing fisher and vessel license applications, effective September 1, 2026. Marlon Samuels has the details.
The National Fisheries Authority has announced important updates to the licensing process for fishers and vessel operators. The aim is to improve efficiency and uphold integrity. These changes take effect on September 1, 2026. Under the new guidelines, applicants will receive a formal notification if their application is at risk of being closed due to delays or incomplete information. Failure to respond within specific timeframes could result in automatic closure of their application. If the NFA cannot contact an applicant, or if additional information is not provided within 30 days for fisher applications or 42 days for vessel applications, the application will be closed. Once all required information is submitted, processing will take 7 days for fisher applications and 14 days for vessel applications. Applicants are advised to keep their contact details accurate and respond promptly to avoid delays and possible closure. All application fees are non-refundable, even if an application is closed due to non-response. The NFA remains committed to, quote, reeling in excellence, one quality catch at a time, end quote. All stakeholders are encouraged to follow these new procedures for a smoother licensing experience. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.